Okay, now the skill is not killing myself when I fall off the edge here. Welcome back to the Iron Rhino. My name is Ryan, and we're hopping back into Pokemon Legends Arceus. Or Arceus, or Arceus, whichever, whatever. And we just stopped last time. We're almost to the place. Let's go ahead and just catch a couple more Pokemon for our research purposes. Oh, come on. Please. Sweet. Alright, let's go talk to the people there. Let's see if we catch you. Come on. Sweet. That dude doesn't have a shirt on. Well, that was a real slog. Fighting through those miserable icy winds to reach this desolate bit of nowhere. Well done, us.
This gentleman is Avalug's warden and my most honorable teacher, Garrick. So show some respect, Adam ma'am.
Let's begin. Some proper introductions. I'm Garrick. I serve one of the Pearl Clans as one of the Pearl Clan's wardens. And you must be Rhino of the Galaxy team. Answer me this, would you? On what grounds do you come here to seek to quail Lord Avalug? He's in a frenzy. What leads my next question. What is wrong with him being frenzied? Could trouble others? Then, I have another question. Setting aside any orders, what does your heart tell you to do? To quell the frenzy, jerk? Our mighty Lord of the Tundra Avalug has done nothing to trouble any person or Pokemon.
Sir, please try to keep your cool. For now, indeed, Avalug's causing no trouble, but aren't we also duty-bound to free our people from living in fear that such a colossal Pokemon might begin to wreak havoc at any moment?
We are. There is certainly some logic to that, but if that's what you hope to accomplish, then we must judge whether this child is up to the task. Who cares about the grandstanding? Let's get to battling. Alright, bring it on. Hopefully I'll throw out Typhlosion first. My muscle is hard and unyielding as ice. Think you can break through? Go, Typhlosion! Oh, that's cool. He pulls out a little fire thing out of his hands. Oh my goodness, we're getting double teamed. What the heck? Hold on. We need to focus on her just because she could wreck us right now. Alright, hurry up! Use Infernal Parade! Knock her out! Good job! Yeah, he sharded on us, just like his trainer. Oh no. Ah. Alright, Gudra. You're part steel type, so let's Iron Head him in the face. Sweet. Nicely done. Good job, Gudra. Good job. I personally love that Gudra is now part steel type. I love it. Outstanding. I'm tough as an iceberg, but you smashed through and through. Or smashed me through and through. I suppose you all can get on with it now. This one's all right.
Thank you, sir. Some may still have their doubts about a stranger like Rhino, but I'll vouch for him.
Then if you insist on quelling Avalug's frenzy, you'll want to claim some of that eternal ice he likes and bring it to the Lord's seat. Good luck. Eternal ice, is it? For that, you'll have to be able to fly, which means you need bravery. Long story short, you'll need to seek out a young lady named Sabi.
Tell the long story long. You're not saving any time if we waste it puzzling out what you mean.
Is an Avalog one of the Pearl Clan's lords? Seems a bit odd for me to do the talking. But fine, listen up. Eternal ice stuff can be found atop Avalog's legacy here. But to get there, you'll need my clan's help. Not even Sneasler can climb this surface, let alone a person like you or me. You're going to need to have the approach by air with bravery's help.
Garrick once managed to climb nearly to the top of Avalug's legacy. I'll have you know, he says he made it to within 6 feet of the top. Might makes right, or at least height.
And about Sabi, how do I put this? Even when she's not flying with bravery, she's got her head in the clouds. Well, you'll understand once you meet her. Head toward Snow Point Temple, and you'll probably come across her sooner or later. What? Sabi? She's a child.
My clairvoyance told me that I'd lead you on a chase. Think you can reach me? See what you meant about Sabi, but why would she be up there?
Seems you better focus up on pursuing the Warden Sabi, and then let me focus on my workout while I still can. Ote. I guess I'll go and try to climb up there? What? It's not letting me climb. Okay, I made it to you. That wasn't that hard.
Hello, my name's Sabi. Nice to meet you, Rhino.
Same to you. Nice to meet you. I want to quail somebody.
I've heard about you. You're super talented, right? I bet you're gonna be fun to play with. I know why you're here, too. You want bravery's help so you can quell Avalug's frenzy, don't you? Well, you'll get it. If you can catch me first. Let's go, bravery!
Catch up to her. So, where did she go? Oh my gosh. Ugh. Alright. Guess we gotta run across the plains here. Whew. Oh, pretty much right back where I was. Up we go. Collect some items along the way. Let's go. There we go. Ha! I found you! You can't get away from me!
Fredo! You made it all the way up here. It's up here in this cold. But the question is, did you catch me, or did I let myself get caught? Oh, and one more thing. Am I even really clairvoyant?
You might be.
No one but me could really know, right? Anyway, the challenge continues. The next stop of our merry chase is Snow Point Temple. But the real question here is, am I really having fun playing with you, or am I bored? Let's go, Bravery!
Okay, now the skill is not killing myself when I fall off the edge here. Because I don't want to die. Don't want to lose half of my stuff. Okay, that was good enough. That was good enough. Peace out, Electabuzz. Oh, man. It's... Okay, I can't resist. I can't resist this. Come on. We can get him from behind. Maybe, just maybe. Darn it. Alright. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. He's gonna use a ground move. Darn it. I knew it. I saw it coming. Alright, Gudra. Apparently you're my boy here. Let's make the Iron Head just a little bit weaker by Agile style. Oh my goodness! Are you kidding me? Yes, catch it. Sweet. There we go. Excellent. Alright. Sorry everybody. I couldn't pass it up. I was all like, I need to have it. How should I approach this? Alright, Sneasler. Why? I get that you want to, like, hop up every little, like, lip, but it's like, keep climbing. Keep climbing, you lazy bum. Okay. Oh, apparently everybody's angry up here. Oh, whoa. What? Ah, oh, right in the butt. There we go. Out of here. Alright, thanks a lot. I just got hit in the bum by somebody.
Hi, Rhino! Again! It's nice having someone new here to play with. Safety in numbers or something like that. Anyways, here's No Point Temple. I've opened the front door for you, just as a little more chasing left for you to do. But the real question is, here, am I really having fun playing with you, or am I bored,
Well, if you're bored, I say stop it. I heard what Warden Sabi said. If you have the Warden Sabi's approval to enter, then by all means do so. But be warned, those who cannot solve the temple's puzzle won't get very far within. I've heard the trick is to pay attention to which way the stone statues are looking. Come to think of it, I believe the statues have some sort of pattern on their chests too. Okay, good to know. Let's go in and let's get in here and see what's going on. Looks like the Reggies. Okay, well, I mean, doesn't seem to be much. Alright. Come on, character. Heal up. There we go. Okay, still the spots. Yeah. Okay. Okay, interessante. Ice. Then. Oh, wait, never mind. I hit the wrong one. Because that's ice, right? The rock. Then the steel. Then the ice. Yes, I did it right. Sweet. Ice. Steel. Or ice. Rock. Steel. Steel. Or no, rock. So it's gonna go ice, rock, steel, rock, ice. Sweet. Okay. Okay. Oh wait, there's one in here too. Okay, steel. Ice. Rock. Ice. Steel. Rock. Steel. Ice. Rock. Ice. Steel. Rock. Oh my goodness. I was all like, I can't remember if I got it right. I guess I could have gotten a piece of paper out and quick wrote it down. Darn. Oh, he's gonna just sit there on guard. Caught your little buddy. I'm no longer here. Come on. Darn it. Oh, shoot. Alright, crunch him. Lovely. Alright, weird here. Let's see. Let's throw out an Ultra Ball. Hopefully we can catch you. Come on, come on, come on. Darn it. Oh no, he's getting enraged. Oh, darn it. Alright, come on. Ugh. Darn it. Why does he know Thunderbolt? Oh no. Oh, what malarkey. Come on, catch him. Because if I don't catch him, I'm gonna have to run. Darn it. Time to run. I'm out of here. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Out of here. I tried my best. Oh no, I wonder if she's going to want to Pokemon battle me. Give me a second, let me heal my Pokemon, I guess? Or I guess it's actually already that time. So, I'm gonna heal up my Pokemon, and next time we will fight her. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Take care.